Come test drive the 2012 Prius. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, audio radio, touchscreen display, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, navigation system.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.